What's up, YouTube? It's your boy FaZe, and today I have a guest. It's not an interview. Today we are working as a team. Today we want to do something different. Okay, cool. So today we are doing a challenge called surviving on R1 in Zimbabwe. Yes, the R1. So the rules are simple. We are still mutimali, but we have to earn it. Either I give you R2, unigezi R1, or either I buy something from you for this R1 and ngithengise for a bigger price. So the main challenge from this is to see how much money that I can raise from this R1. We can raise. Sorry guys, I'm used to doing things alone. Tough shit. Okay, cool. So without further ado, bro, let's go. Let's find our next victim. So okay, cool. So I'm doing a video called surviving on R1 in Zimbabwe. So yonke into esiyenzayo, it must come from R1. We need more money, yabo. So either I buy something from you and I thengisa with another price. Yeah, that's and right. So either I must buy something from you R1 unnikeze. Angiceli imali la, but I'm trying to negotiate. Yabo, so it's a challenge kahle. It's a challenge YouTube. Ameza ngicela imali angisebenzise imali yonke imali engisebenzayo engibalayo mezivelele la esibala. Sorry.
Okay,
yeah.
I understand what you're saying.
So I need something engayithenga nge-R1.
For now, I don't have
You don't have anything. Okay, thank you.
Thank you for your time.
For this cut. It's very beautiful. Do I explain it? Ish. Yo, angazi che. Hello. Sharp. This is a force. They talk come like about something. About okay. I'm doing a YouTube video called "Surviving on R1 in Zimbabwe." So basically I must raise imali from this R1. Yabo. So but amezanga njani angikucela imali yani. I'm asking ukuthi whether kule nto engayithenga kuwe from R1 engayithengisa with another price, or I want to buy something okumbe unikeze R2, I'll give you R1, but whatever that you give me I'm supposed to pay you back.
Pay me back how?
R1.
So you have to vlog.
Vlog how? I'm vlogging I'm
big.
Okay, antivele nguvalile. Kanye okay. Nango right now. Lo right uza. Kala 2.
Ngale pause ke limjengise because
ikope kanye azenze so asenza siqedelane then bese sizawujengisa if you don't like it. Mfuna something from you, either email or anything, but kumali nale me I have to pay you with this R1. Some into eloza nigga yo, I have to give you this R1. Into engayithengisa since mepule chapisa ichapisa asithi mebuthi amachapisa ayi2, you could give me 2 for R1. Mina yathengisa ayi2 R1 ngasene profit ye-R1.
I know you're scamming me.
I'm not scamming you. Bela kanti lapha mina yimi ngabe nrotshiwe la.
Akurotshela.
Angiyakutshela. What's your name? Hey, sorry chef for my manners. I'm Fezile. Long Thaba. That's my cameraman. Now, khaya uthi kuvalenja. Khangela uthi kuvalenja.
Mina nguvalile. Awukhali. Nari.
So, lapha mawuthenga nje uqala.
Ngophela imali phambi kwakhe udala nguqhubele. Yeah, pleasure doing business with you. This is going to come a very long way. You just saved impilo zabanye abantwana abasokole. So guys, I bought this for R1. I bought ice mint. We bought ice mint. Yes, sorry. So thank you. So we bought ice mint le chappies, yabo. So I think I'm going to sell this for 1 rand. I'm going to sell this for 1 rand. So since I'm going to love So guys, I'm selling this for 1 rand. What do you say? Yo.
But you ain't
Bang.
them. You ain't it. Try to
Private talking, that's my thing, bro.
That's the
Hey,
thing.
Khalala Banaba.
negotiate.
Yeah?
Your hand.
Fezile. Afama chance le mali. Before sikhuluma la ndile mali. Do you have money? Le 1 rand, 2 rand.
Sathengisa phela manje.
Lento esizithengisala. Thengisala lo. Ala mali.
Serious 1 rand.
Yes. Asikho share kanti lo. Asikho share kanti lo. So.
So yeah.
La.
Switch.
La ukhuluma. Afa phutha sisi. Zwana vele ngokukhuluma la something. Afa lonke vele lizwi. So guys, maningi vele enhle ngifika. So me ngenza YouTube yabo. So I'm doing a video called Surviving on 1 rand in Zimbabwe. So then I do 1 rand yabo. So 1 rand lay I'm not supposed to cela omunye umuntu but imeze raise imali. So 1 rand lay either I buy something from you nge 1 rand ubusunikeza into then I sell it for a higher price, or ngafuna iki 2 rand I can give you 1 rand unikeze kwini i2 rand. So the goal is ukuthi ngingalicela. So ngitheni lapha ngahlanga lo munkazana then wabe sengithengisela I chappies the ice mint for 1 rand. So I'm selling you guys this. What say?
I don't got a coin.
Be generous,
I'm
please.
calling my coin.
Thank
Coin.
So even okay, you know that engalinika khona for lokho engakuthengisa. Maybe angazi something for this. What can you give me and I give you this? What do you have? Normally lip gloss I take. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you guys for your time. Siyabonga for your time, man. Thank you so much. Hayi bendlala. Did you see?
Business. You won't always be
I want my couples. Remember when they tell
Did you see that girl wanted switch your phones? Lana munye mbonile. Remember wakambona
ngibonile. Ikhophela laba sesithoni. Sorry guys, I think that is the next issue that you are going after. Last time ngangiyenza but into zokuncenga abantu. No. Ke ngiyakufuna. Umbona into zokuncenga abantu angizithanda. Yabo? Sharp. So ngenza ivideo YouTube yabo. So called Surviving on 1 rand in Zimbabwe. So ngiyenza mo raise imali from that 1 rand, but I'm not supposed to ask omunye umuntu imali ngithi ngigcwalisele. I'm supposed to work for it. Yabo? Yabona phutha swap. So imali le ku 1 rand lana amezanga like ngicela umuntu enini. I'm supposed to buy something from you enge 1 rand then bese ngithengisa for a higher price. So ngihlale lo munye unkazana wabe sengithengisela izinto ze 1 rand ichappies lele ice mint le. So me I was hoping I could sell to you
mina kimi ukuzondingisela ngemali.
nge 1 rand. Esiwa ichappies. Mina lokho ngikuthenge 1 rand kuyi2 but I'm selling you for what? For 1 rand. So mina ngasengenza profit ye 1 rand.
Siyakuvuva ibusiness.
Yabo. So then ngathola umuntu umuntu futhele enye into engayithengisa ngenza njalo. Mvusa business. I video ngifuna ukubona ukuthi by the time search ntambama ngabe seniraise emalini la
Malini.
ehe
So lapho uthengisela mina nge-2 rand. Ungayenda coin.
All right brother, thank you
Coin. Umuntu echange ethola.
hayi angini
Surviving on 1 rand.
because vele yonke imali emezebe la mezivelele khona all right thank you putas akubla zakita njalo kudala just khona
Me,
emso
I'm best on Mthando. Onokubonga. Onokubonga. Yes. My closing rewards. Limaza.
So, sise park bafethu, we are at the park. So, to wonke umuntu who's doubting, to wonke umuntu who's I don't know, to wonke umuntu who's being negative, bro, we don't listen to that. Asenzi lokho. Thina siyazenzela izinto zethu esizenzikalela, yabo. Ngoza phuma la. Nje kudala ngikhuluma nje. Ngikhuluma. Hello. Sharp. Okay, I'm not Fezzi. So I'm doing YouTube videos, trying to surviving on 1 rand in Zimbabwe. No, it's not something personal. When I want to solve. So in any video try surviving on 1 rand in Zimbabwe. I have 1 rand. I had 1 rand. So 1 rand lay mfuza ukubona ukuthi ngiza raise imali enganani from this 1 rand. Amezanga ngicela umuntu, but I should either I ngizayisebenzela or ngithenge something kuwe ngithengise for a higher price. Yabo? So ngihlala lo minkazana lapha wabe sengithengisela this for 1 rand. So me I'm selling to you for 2 rand. Ngibele 1 rand profit. Ngibele 1 rand profit. Okay, still recording. So hlaleleni wena.
Just
Kenhle ngabe kule song leli imali. Kenhle. Yo guys, I've had 1 rand profit but iZimbabwe kaya ngithi ngabe sikenye indawo ngabe sisenze 30 rand. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for your time. Umbakulo kunye ngakuthenga futhi 40 rand. Ngiyadlala. Ngathenga khonoko for 2 rand. Yakhe labe sembweni lapha engikhona. Yo guys, how many people did you approach so far? And I've only made 2 rand. Yo, we have only made us. Je udona u2.
Tell wena unyiza
Khuluma la lapha. Khuluma la lapha sipho. Khuluma. Afa pictures wami. You see? So ngenza YouTube yabo sabonani sorry uphambanisa. So ngenza YouTube called Surviving on 1 rand in Zimbabwe. So benile 1 rand so I'm supposed to raise money from your 1 rand le. But I'm not supposed to cela umuntu. Either I give you 1 rand unikeze 2 rand or I buy something from you near 1 rand that I can sell for a higher price. So bese ngithengisa izwits ngithenga amachapisa ayi2 nge1 rand. Then ngiqeda ukuthengisela unkazana lwa for 2 rands. So I've made 1 rand profit now. So lapha, is there something that I could buy from you for 2 rand?
For 2 rand.
Okumbe, do you want to give me money? Do you want to give me 3 rand and I'll give you 2 rand? That's a very good deal. That's a very good deal. Yabona parking ngani kulabantu abalemali. Thawula abantu bayancitshana. Abafundi mali. Thank you so much, Peter. Thank you. So, guys, 3 rand. I have made profits. We are rolling. Page to Fezile. Fezile. Uyanthola konke TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Yonke indawo vela ungiswe. Thank you. So guys, I'm cruising. Don't have
Uyangena vele imali.
nje khangena 2 rand profit. 2 rand profit, bro. Yes. So what's next? Asambele thatha. Ezi singayitharen lapha. Tata Pela chicken. Edlala sa big sword. Happy birthday.
The penny series.
The coin series, yabo. So
From 1 rand.
yeah, starting from 1 rand. Yabo. So now I have 3 rand. So go in that I can buy from you with 1 rand or 2 rand or 3 rand that I could sell for a higher price. Or if you want to give me like 1 rand, I'll give you 1 rand. If you want to give me 4 rand, I'll give you 3 rand.
No, well,
Yeah.
Right now,
Or usually have okay. Or something that I can buy from you with these coins and then I can sell them for a higher price.
Something you can buy for 5 rand.
for 3 rand.
Right now I have 3 rand. Something that I can buy for 3 rand. Then
Like arikuzama kuspina mara shesa 1 rand. Ajispina like achona anozosvika.
Ayo, tava tikubuda here paibuya pa.
Bo Jensi. Tango, let's find. Okay, cool. We are deep in the trenches. We are deep in the burbs. We are deep in the burbs, bro. Okay, so after hours and hours of trying to get money from that 1 rand, yo guys, I'm tired. I won't lie. I'm so tired. I won't lie. I've been walking around. We've been walking around. It's still in the head. We've been walking around. So guys, I'm tired. But actually, so the money that you raised is
We tried.
we tried Buffet 2. We tried Buffet 2. But this is gonna be a part 2, and I enjoyed making this video. So please make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe.
What up?
Jaco.
Out.